Hi, this is Ross with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're finishing up a 2-car in Epperson. So this is a full chip job with baseboard, polyaspartic top coat, written lifetime warranty. So we did have to do a lot of dressing up here, particularly on the baseboards. Remove a lot of material and then add some material to fill the voids, but they look very good. This color is Domino, which is a nice neutral color. It's just black, white, and gray. Some detail around the hot water heater in the parking stop. As you can see, it's still an active construction site. So we did round over the lead-in edge. Made it smooth, chipped it in. We cleaned up the apron because the apron was really bad with leftover building materials. Looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.